أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم الأمين ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. My respectful principal, teachers and all students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is fasting is a very important for religion. It is mentioned is Rodhari about this thief. He narrated this story. He said, it is one I travels in Syria. Non-group of other travels Musafir and on the way of hijacked by the gang of thief. They took of all opposition. They took of all opposition on the floor front and on the gang of leader among this good. There was a bag of sugar and almonds. The thieves opened the bag and eat, but the gang of leader not eat, not join just anyway. He said, I asked him, why the gang of rest is eating but not eating? He replied, I am fasting. I am fasting means I am Rosa. I asked surprisingly, how is it steal from people? From the same time you're keeping your fasting and your Rosa. I asked surprisingly, how is it steal from people? From the same time you're fasting, you're keeping and your Rosa. A man should do something. The keep of doors and reconciliation open. Some time later, Hazrat Abu Bakr rahimahullah ta'ala alayhi, I was performing the tawaf of Kaabatullah Sharif. I was saying the gang of leader stay of ihram. He was stay of ihram and making the tawaf of Kaabatullah Sharif. I look at him of shock. I saw this Allah full of nur, face full of light of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, and weak himself due to his ibadat, him worship of Allah. Tell me your something from the small fasting, roza and the pleasure of Allah. We learn the message of mercy and show your eyes of Darul Uloom principles. The mercy of Allah, we should always asking for ibadat, always asking for tawbah, always asking for astaghfar, and always asking for forgiveness of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. My speech and of poetry, never blame anyone in your life. Good people give you happiness. Bad people give you experience. Roast people give you a lesson. And the best people give you memories. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.